Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to connect CJ dropshipping to your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can go ahead and get started logging into your account in the upper right corner by connecting it to your Shopify store. And after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page where at the left side of the screen you can go ahead and get started accessing all the options we have, such as home, orders, products, and so on. And now guys, we can get started successfully connecting our store to CJ dropshipping, and this is what we have to do. Right here at the left side screen under the app section, you can click add apps. After clicking add apps, this is going to open up this menu where you can find all the frequently used applications, and you can find the Shopify App Store option right here by scrolling down. So open up the Shopify App Store, and this is going to open up this App Store right here where you can find all the apps that you can use. And at the top of the screen, you're going to have a search bar. So we are going to be using this search bar right here. Go ahead and open up the search bar, and in the search bar, we can search for CJ Dropshipping. So as you can see, this is going to be one of the results. Once you search for CJ Dropshipping, this is now go ahead and open up the results option right here. And as you can see, one of the applications is directly made for CJ Dropshipping. This is it right here. So you can see guys, this is the application we want to use. This is going to enable us to set up CJ dropshipping with our Shopify store where you can get started importing products and so on. So all you have to do is just click the install button right here. After clicking the install button, it's going to go ahead and proceed to the installation process right here where you just want to go ahead and confirm you want to install by clicking the install button. And now guys, after successfully installing it at this main page right here in the home page under apps, you'll be able to find the application. So go ahead and open it up and provide all your info for CJ dropshipping and get started setting it up. But yeah guys, it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.